Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the device and signing in. This avoids delays later. Make sure your iPhone or iPad runs a supported OS version, then open Settings and tap Game Center. Sign in with your Apple ID. If you don't already have two-factor auth, enable it now because Game Center relies on account security. Once signed in, choose your public profile name and set a privacy level. This matters for multiplayer invites. Now you've completed the first actionable steps and can move into setup details. Next, configure your profile and friend settings so games can find and match you. Tap your profile to change nickname, avatar, and visibility. This controls who sees your play activity. Then manage friends by sending or accepting friend requests and optionally syncing contacts to find people you know. Make sure game-specific permissions, like invites, leaderboards, and multiplayer, are enabled in each game's settings because Game Center acts as the hub, but apps control access. Once these middle steps are complete, start joining matches and tracking achievements. Finally, launch a Game Center-enabled game to confirm everything works. Invite a friend, check leaderboards, and view achievements to validate your profile. This completes setup. If something fails, first sign out of Game Center, then sign back in and restart your device. If that doesn't help, verify network connectivity and that your Apple ID is active. These fixes resolve most problems. Keep Game Center updated within settings and routinely review privacy. Doing so preserves matchmaking and protects your account.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.